4 ways to touch the cat nose. First, just give him a pet and then, hey, tick, now you touch his nose. Then get a Lego or buy something. Buy a Lego if you don't have a Lego. Psst, 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 psst. Jade! Psst, psst. Jade! You're wasting my time. Psst. I live in Philippines. Jade! What is? Only the Lego can touch that. This is a food. I think that didn't work. Hey, what the? Maybe if he's itchy, just click him. Look at him. He's itchy, like mine. Well, that is Bisaya in that means kot. If he's kot, that means you can touch his nose, but not that pose. You're wasting my time, brother. Come on. Touch the soap cut. Touch the soap cut to get the intelligence. Oh! Wa man ako gikuha. Gi-message gani ko nimo. Oh well now. You're wasting my time. Okay now. No, the only. Oh hell no. Okay. Smell this. Maybe not 4 ways, maybe 3 ways. It's just gonna take long. It's just 3 minutes. But the cat is freaking wasting my time for making this video. You're wasting my time, Jade. Oh my God. I don't know how to edit though.